Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
White. Wow, my brain malfunctioned.
Lord TikTok!
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Clevver Style. I have to whisper it because, as you know, we're social distancing and my roommate is working from home, so I need to be quiet. Listen, this is the deets. Jackie and I are having a stay-at-home social distancing BFF girls' night. But we're doing it through my computer. So I'm about to FaceTime Jackie. There's the camera. This is my little, we're literally just on my vanity. We're basically gonna show you guys how you can still have girls' nights and hang out with your friends during social distancing time in fun and creative ways. So let's call my girl. Jackie!
Yay! I got nervous there for a second. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna be able to do this.
This is kind of like, okay, we FaceTime all the time, but I don't know why this is different. This is weird.
Well, it's different because there's not usually an audience watching us FaceTime.
Weird.
Look at your robe, you're so cute.
Look at your robe.
I feel like a Victoria's Secret model.
Well,
First and foremost,
Vermers.
we ordered food for each other as a surprise because I think that's like a really good thing, a tip for you guys if you guys decide to do this whole, you know, friends FaceTime date. It's really cool to surprise the other person with some food. And the only reason I bring it up because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day. And I'm like, I know we got things that we gotta tackle in this video, but I just wanna eat.
Dude, same. I'm starving. We're starting this at like 3 o'clock, y'all. And like, I haven't eaten all day and I'm dying. Okay, wait, so let me show them.
Jackie ordered from Hugo's, which is one of my favorite restaurants, and I got broccolini and brown rice and spinach, and I know that looks and sounds disgusting, but like, she knows me well.
All right, let's see what you got me.
Don't come out.
Ooh, a salad, a little side salad.
Don't worry, there's more.
That looks good. Yeah, I'm like, please.
Let it not be just the
I wouldn't do that to you.
Yo. Drew knows me well.
Drew, thank you so much. You know I love me some salmon.
Thank you
and
so
some mashed
much.
potatoes.
Listen,
How's your food?
it's bomb. I'm satisfied.
We're twins.
Well, I know.
Wait, but you guys, I was gonna say, when you were pouring the glass of wine, I was supposed to get wine and champagne because I think it's so cute for a girls' night, but like, I don't really drink like that, so I got cupcakes instead. Producer Rachel sent this to me. It's a very cute, like, little, like, cake platter situation.
Wow.
Wait, and then I have,
Cupcakes! Hold up.
I got 2.
One for me, one for you.
Yeah.
I got a red velvet, and I got, I think this is just like white. Wow, my brain malfunctioned. Chocolate.
What is it? White.
Okay, so while Jackie and I are finishing up our snacks and our food, we're gonna play Never Have I Ever. And her consequence, if she has done the thing, she has to take a sip of wine. And since I don't drink, because otherwise I'll be bug wild and text people I don't want to, I have to do a dare that Jackie is going to give me. So, if you guys have never played Never Have I Ever, what you do is you say, Never Have I Ever. I kind of make it the same as 10 fingers, like you hold up the fingers if you have done it, you put the finger down, but we're doing dares and wine instead.
Instead you sip if you have or you haven't done it.
If you have.
You sip if you have.
Okay.
Okay. Drew.
Yes.
Never have I ever
Stolen something.
Jackie, you know I have. That's not right. You did it on purpose. Okay, so as we continue Never Have I Ever, there is now 1 cupcake left. I shouldn't eat the other one because my stomach hurts so bad already.
I had 3 cookies. 3? Did I have 3?
Yeah. No, I thought you only had 2.
How many did I place out? Was there 4 or were there 5?
I forgot that I didn't give you a dare for the last Never Have I Ever. You did steal, so your dare is to
Try to do a handstand in your bedroom.
Jackie, you know I just said my stomach hurts and I just ate and now I have to.
You have to do a handstand.
Jackie just dared me to do a handstand and I'm so full. This is so mean.
This is so entertaining. Make sure I can see too.
Oh, Eve. I can't get up.
That was entertaining enough.
I think I just started my period. It's not period time.
Never have I ever looked at my butt crack / coin purse in the mirror, like backwards. You know what I'm talking about? When you go through your legs and there's a mirror behind you to like see the crevices. I have done that multiple times.
Yeah, you gotta know what you look like.
You know,
from all angles.
Okay, next on our agenda, I am moving over to my bed because we are about to decorate some handy dandy piñatas. So our producer Rachel made us each piñatas like from scratch. She made this. This diamond was not sold in stores. She made it. I don't know how she did it. I can't do that, but she did.
Yours is dope.
It's like a diamond ring. I love you. I love you.
You know, I can't read lips. What does that mean?
Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute.
Wait.
So much fun.
Look it. Do you have one of these too?
I do. Let me
eye mask.
Wait. Oh,
Stop it, So what you do is you can get tissue paper or just any kind of regular design paper, and all you have to do is really just cut a bunch of slits to create that look of like a piñata. See, and you just layer them and then like that.
oh, cute.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do a couple like pinks and a couple of
The iridescent ones.
I'm feeling very Martha Stewart. Doesn't she decorate piñatas?
She decorates like cakes,
It's close enough.
but same thing. How does it look so far?
Ooh, that looks nice.
I think the best part is that you can make this and you could send it to your friend and your friend could send you one, and it has like surprise gifts inside. Because Drew and I don't know what's in our boxes. Rachel made these for us, and so Drew has stuff that she likes and I have stuff that I like in here, and it's a cute little surprise that you could send to your friend, something to do together, and then be surprised what's inside.
That's the cute part. Aw, Jackie, it looks good. Okay. Directions? Don't need those. I would just like to preface this by saying, y'all, I don't know what the F I'm doing. Jackie, while I'm trying to take off the plastic and I'm talking about how I don't know what I'm doing,
It literally says the fool.
stop.
okay, and then I remember I'm supposed to say some sort of prayer above it. So I'm gonna say my neck, my back, my bloop, and my crack.
Dang, nothing good is gonna come our way with those intentions.
Oh, that's a beautiful song. That's a poem, don't you know? Pick a number between 1 and 7, Jackie, and make it up rules as I go.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I'm going to flip it over. It says Page of Pentacles. Isn't she cute?
4 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, found it! This page is truly dedicated and focused on their goals. She might be young or inexperienced, but she has the drive and determination needed to venture forward.
Don't disregard this person. They are truly talented and will rise to the occasion when it comes.
If the page is you, it's time to focus up and commit to that thing you've been daydreaming about. Start taking concrete steps to bring that magic into the world.
Wait, read it again!
Okay. Start taking concrete steps to bring that magic into the world.
Oh, I love that.
No, that's like super positive and cute.
This one's about my love life. And
About your love life or my love life?
My love life.
Oh.
Your love life is fine. Oh no! Oh my god!
What? Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! What does it say?
I really said, this is about my love life, right? And I said, your love life is fine. And you're like, okay, yeah, you're right. This is about yours. It says everything is fine, and it has swords going into Okay, it says, everything is fine. It's fine. Really? Sure, you've been completely pierced through with 10 sharp swords and you've collapsed into a ball on the floor. You're struggling, just trying to survive as the weight grows even heavier. You're going through something truly soul-crushing and it feels like your world is ending. Every movement hurts and sometimes only a meaningless distraction feels like it'll help. but the pain will end and you will come out stronger having survived it.
That's creepy.
That's
creepy.
So creepy, and I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, Jackie is now about to attempt to teach me a TikTok dance because I have yet to open the app, but I have seen Les Savages try this challenge on other platforms, and so I'm gonna see if she can teach me.
Now, there's a lot of, what is this called, the woe?
Oh.
So, there's a lot of people that do like, you know, woe like this, or there's some people that literally bring it up and around and clap. So there's, yeah, so it's like, cause I'm a savage.
Oh, cool. Okay.
So that's the original one in the original video, but a lot of people, like, I just did savage. Some people just say savage, like boom boom savage, or you can just do like savage. And then it's classy bougie, and what you do is you go to the right and to the left. And it's hips, exactly. Classy bougie.
Cute.
Sassy
Bougie.
And then you turn to your right and you go ratchet.
Ratchet.
And then it's like a pop. So it's almost like shake. So you're down here, you like kind of like cusp your butt side. Yeah, exactly. And then you pop it. Exactly.
Okay guys, so Jackie just taught me the savage dance on TikTok, and I'm out of breath because we were trying to learn it. And it's really fun, and I think she's officially converted me, so we're gonna perform now to see if I can do it. Okay.
I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage, hey, so you
Yeah!
Yay! You taught me!
You learned in TikTok.
Learn TikTok! Okay guys, next up on our BFF date night agenda, we're going to do a little bit of karaoke. Are you ready? Are you? Ready?
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna sing one.
Okay.
I just wanna say that Dorsey is my best friend.
I'm gonna cry! I'm gonna cry!
Dorsey, I've enjoyed our night. We are about to smash piñata, yeah, 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 yeah. But first we build piñatas and we decorate them real nice. And we ate our favorite food that we postmated. Wait, whoa, that was really off key.
Jackie, I like it.
Okay, you go.
But does mine have to be customized? I was gonna sing the Friend song by Dionne Warwick.
How about no? How about you sing a specialized song that's true to our friendship?
Jackie, Iadonisi, you are my best friend. Yes, you are.
In the good times
And bad times.
I'll be by your side forevermore.
'Cause that's what FaceTime is for.
All right, you guys, so karaoke is done. We are going to end the night and bust these piñatas open. I need to tie this thing up. This is the final product. It's really not that cute, but it is.
Okay, Jackie and I are about to, like she said, bust open our piñatas.
Let's do this.
I don't have anything to hang mine on. It could hang where my formal. I'm just gonna beat it.
Okay.
Ready? Go.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Jackie is so loud. Oh my god, it's Jackie! What? Jackie!
Wait, my name.
There's Fenty in here!
Don't tell me.
Oh my god, there's Fenty. Look it. There's candy.
Oh my god, look at the little glow stick.
Oh my gosh, Drew, look.
What is it?
Little things from back in the day.
Oh, Tabasco sauce.
Cheers to you, Drew, for an amazing. Wait, let me cheers.
Clink, 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 clink.
Yay! Cheers.
Here's to a great virtual date.
You're frozen.
Oh, there you go.
Okay. Okay, good.
Cheers to a great virtual date night. I would just like to say that I appreciate you so much. You are such a good friend. And I literally could not get through this without you, like literally could not. As you know, it was so sad and you made me feel so much better. And I laughed more today than I have in like 2 weeks.
And obviously, somebody up there really likes me because they gifted me with you as a friend.
And I'm very happy you're in my life.
True. I
love you.
Oh my gosh. I love you too. Honestly, like,
The part about this isolation that's so tough is not being able to like literally hang out with my friends.
And it was so much fun. This is what we do normally, and it didn't feel like we were far apart. I felt like you were in the room with me.
This was incredible.
Uh-oh, you're starting to freeze. Jackie.
You're freezing too. That means we gotta go.
That means we gotta go. That means we gotta go. Oh man, that was fun. But for even more fun and clever style, click right on over there. What else should they do, Jackie?
They should get some glow sticks and